Hi guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basis. Hope you guys all are fine. I'm back again with another easy tutorial video. Logging in Bank of America Courier is quite easy. Without any delay, let's start the video. Access the Bank of America Courier's page. Open your web browser and go to the official Bank of America Courier's page. You can do this by typing Bank of America Couriers into the search engine and click on the official link. Navigate to login page. Once you are on the Bank of America Courier page, look for the sign in or login option. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your email and password. On the login page, you will see field where you can enter your email and password. If you are a new user and don't have an account yet, you may need to register first. Click on create new account to create. If you already have an account, enter your user ID and password in the appropriate field. If you forgot your password, click on the forgot password and reset the password. Click on sign in after entering your user ID and password. Click on sign in button to proceed. Complete a security verification if required. For enhanced security, you may be prompted to complete a security verification process such as entering one-time verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Access your Bank of America Courier account. If you enter the correct login credential, you will now be logged into your Bank of America Courier account. You will have access to your profile, job application and other career related information. That's it, you have successfully logged into your Bank of America Courier account. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below.